He's running away. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Look at this massive cane toad right here. And this is even how big they get. Like, I've seen a toad like twice the size of this thing. But this is another invasive species in Florida. And if you look right here behind their eye, it's a sac. That's actually full of poison. If I squeeze it, you can see the little white dots coming out. That's actually the poison. So you definitely should not eat one of these, and you definitely shouldn't let your dog eat one of these because they could get really sick. But yeah, pretty neat.